Stop scrolling. What if I told you that $100 could realistically turn into $10,000 without gambling, without crypto hype, and without getting luck? Sounds impossible, right? But here is the crazy part. Thousands of people have already done it. And today I am going to show you the exact strategy step by step. But wait, before you skip this video, let me warn you about something, because one small mistake in this strategy can destroy your money completely, and most beginners make that mistake in first 30 days. So if you want to know how $100 becomes a $10,000, stay with me, because step number 3 is where the real money happens. Step first, the $100 mindset shift. First, let's honest, $100 alone will not magically becomes $10,000 overnight. If that were true, everyone would be rich. But the secret is compounding plus smart strategy. And here is something most people don't realize. The real reason people never reach $10,000 is not because they start with too little money. It's because they stop too early. Let me show you what I mean. If you grow your money by just 10% per month, something incredible happens. In about 3 years, that $100 can cost $10,000. But here is the problem. Most people quit after 2 months, which is exactly why they stay broke. But wait, we haven't even reached the real strategy yet. Let's see step second. Never invest the first $100. Here is the something that might shock you. The smartest investors don't invest their first $100. Yes, you heard that right. Instead, they use it to build a money generating system, because investing time amounts directly in stocks will take a decade to grow. But when you multiply your income first, everything changes. Let me explain. Imagine turning $100 into $300, then $300 into $1,000. Now the game becoming interesting, and this is where strategy number 2 come in. Let's see step 3, the skill multiplier. If you want to turn $100 into $10,000, you need something more powerful than investing. You need a monetizable skill, because skills are the fastest way to multiply money. Think about it. People invest $100 in stock and make $8 profit in a year. But someone who learns a digital skill can make a $500 in a week. Skills like video editing, AI content creation, freelancing, copywriting, social media management. And here is the crazy part. Most of these skills can be learned from free online. But wait, this still isn't the strategy that turn $100 into $10,000, because the real secret comes next. Step 4, the income engine. Once your skill starts generating money, you will create something called an income engine. And income engine means money coming in every week. For example, you will charge $50 per object, just 4 clients per week, $200. Now imagine saving 50% of that income. That's $400 per month to invest. Now your investment strategy actually works, because now you are not investing $100 once, you are investing every month. And this is where the real magic begins. But here is something most people never understand about investing, and it completely changes the game. Step 5, the compounding machine. Compounding is the most powerful financial force in the world, but only if you do it correctly. Here is a simple example. If you invest $400 every month with an average 10% annual return, in about 5 years you will cross $3,000. But if you reinvest everything, the numbers explode, and suddenly your money starts working harder than you. But wait, there is still one final strategy that separates beginners from people who actually build wealth, and almost nobody talks about it. Step 6, the reinvestment rule. The biggest mistake beginners make is spending their profits instead of reinvesting them. Let's say you make $1,000 profit. Most people celebrate. They buy something and their wealth goes back to zero. But wealthy investors follow one rule: reinvest at least 70%. This accelerates compounding dramatically, which means your growth curve suddenly goes from slow to explosive. And this is exactly how people go from $100 to $10,000, not by luck, but by system. But before you start this strategy, you need to understand one final truth. This strategy is simple, but it's not easy, because it requires something most people refuse to do: patience. The interest has convinced everyone that money must happen instantly, but real wealth is built through consistent smart decisions, small money, small kills, small investments, repeated for years, and eventually those small steps create massive results. But if you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: the first $10,000 is the hardest. After that, money starts multiplying much faster. Now here is my challenge for you. If you are serious about building wealth, start today. Start small, even if it's just $100, because the difference between people who succeed financially and people who struggle forever is one simple decision: they start. And if you want more videos like this, the break down real wealth strategies step by step, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because the next video I am realizing will show you 7 income streams the rich used to build financial freedom. And trust me, most people have never heard of them. So subscribe now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.